how to make animated stickman video for free using free AI tools. I will make sure the tools we'll be using in this video is 100% free, and we make the character to be consistent in each of the scene. So first, let's look at this channel. This channel has generated 90,000 subscriber within just 3 months with just 45 videos. Look at their channel. This shows that this stickman animation video is going viral and is trending right now. So the question is, how do we make this video? And that is what I'm about to share with you. So if you are new on this channel, hi, I'm Coach Abby. So if you are just starting a faceless channel, or you are looking for ways to grow your faceless channel with free AI tools, this channel is for you. So if you are yet to join the family, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. And don't forget to on your notification bell so that anytime we release free video tutorial like this, you get notified. The first thing we are going to do is to create our character, and our character is a stickman. Now we are going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create a stickman figure. Now this is the instruction I gave to ChatGPT, and this is what it gave me. Now I will also tell ChatGPT to add that this stickman is wearing a red shirt. Yes, so after giving ChatGPT instruction, and this is what it gave me. Now I will also tell ChatGPT to add that he's wearing a blue jean and a blue beanie on his head, making his hand to be bold. Do you get? So, and we have this character. You can see it is very easy. It's just easy. Just give a simple instruction and you are going to get your character. So you are going to download it. Then the next thing is creating your room, the environment, the room. So now for you to create your room, I have a prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to leave all these prompts in my description. So just copy the prompt and paste it here, and it's going to generate the room for you. So this is the room I was able to generate for ChatGPT. No, so we have our character and we have our room. Now the next thing is for us to generate our scene. It is area, character, room, and scene. So for us to generate our scene, we have our prompt. So don't worry, I'm going to leave the prompt in my description box. So to generate our scene, we are going to use Google Flow to generate our scene. Now, if you don't have an account on Google Flow, just sign up with your Google account. The reason why we are using Google Flow is because it allows us to generate unlimited images for free. Do you get? So now we're going to head out to Google Flow. Once you sign in, you are going to see an interface like this. So click on New Project. Now you can see this plus icon. No, first of all, go to Nano Banana. Make sure you put it on image, guys. Make sure you put it on image. Then you click on this plus icon. Then we are going to upload the character we downloaded from ChatGPT, the stickman. We are going to upload it. You are also going to upload the room, the environment. So I will first of all upload the room we generate from ChatGPT. So I will click on that plus icon, then upload it. Now I will give this instruction to Google Flow. So I'm going to give this instruction to Google Flow. Same image, make the image cleaner, smoother, and vector style finish. So I'm going to click on send, and boom, look at the image we have. You can see that it is now beautiful than the one we generated from ChatGPT. So now we'll go back to the plus icon. We click on the plus icon, then we upload the character, the stickman character figure. So okay, so I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to click on open. Now we have our character here. So we now have the room and we have the character. Now the next thing is for us to generate our scene. So now to generate our scene, we go and copy the first frame. This is the first frame. So this is the first prompt we are going to copy. So I'm going to copy it. So once I copy it, I will come back to Google Flow and click on the plus icon. Now we are going to select the character. Do you get? The character is already here. So I'm going to say, then the next one is select the room. The rooms. Do you understand? So then I'm going to paste the first scene. So once I paste it, I'll click on generate. And we just wait for a few seconds, and this is what we have. So while generating, we go and copy the second scene. I don't want to waste much time. So I'm going to copy this scene. So I'll just copy it. So these are the prompts. Do you get? So don't worry, I'm going to drop the prompts in my description box. I've told you already. So I'll copy it, then come back to Google Flow. So I'm going to wait for it to generate. Now, if you see something like this, So if you are trying to generate your image and something like this occur when you are generating your image, all you need to do is to click on reload and it's going to regenerate the image. So I click on reload and my image generates. So here we have our image. Okay, so look at the first thing. So it has generated. You can see the character inside the frame. You can see it here. Good. So that is the first frame. So I'm going to click on the three icon here, then click on download. I'll click on original size and it will be downloaded to my phone. So I'll go back to go and copy this prompt again. The second one here, the scene image prompt, you can see it. So I'll copy it, come back to Google Flow, and we are going to click on the plus icon. We are going to bring in our character and the room. Don't forget, make sure you put the character and the room there. Then put the prompt. Then we click on generate and just wait for 3 seconds. We are going to have our scene. So this is the image for another scene. Guys, do you see what I'm saying? This is lovely. This is lovely. Now look at it. That is actually generate 2 images for us. So you can actually select any one of the 2. So look at this one. So it's typing on the laptop. You can see it here. So we just download it. Then we go back. Then we go and copy the prompts for the next scene we want to generate. So I'll go to where I keep the prompt. So I'll just copy it. So once I copy it, I'll come back to Google Flow and click on the plus icon. Then I'm going to bring in the character. I'm going to see, once you click on the plus icon, all the images we generate on this platform is going to show. So I'm going to select the character. Then I'm going to select the room. So once I select the room, then I'm going to paste in my prompt. And I'm going to click on send. And our image is going to be what? Generated. So we have another scene here. So you can see from the second scene generated, there are floating icons. Do you understand? Around the guy. Good. So that's the second image scene that we generate. Now, for the purpose of this video, I don't want this video to be long. We repeat the same process for all the scene. So the next one is to make our image, our visual to come live. And this is generating the motion. Now, for us to generate our motion, the video, now, next thing is for us to generate our motion. So I'm going to use this platform to generate our video, and I'm going to use another platform. The reason why I'm using another platform is because that platform, you can generate unlimited video. This one is limited. So I'm very sure some of you must have exhausted your credits. So because of some people that have exhausted their credits, so I'm going to show you another platform. So now, so before I generate the motion, you can see I've generated the other scene, but I just have to skip that part. Alright, so now I want to show you the second website that we are going to use to generate our video. Guys, before we continue, if you are getting value from this video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly take a few seconds and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Don't forget to on your notification bell. So let's continue. So this is the video, this is the website, one.ai, or you click on one video. So it's going to bring you to this website. Make sure you sign up with your Google account. So once you sign up on your Google account, you're going to see an interface like this. So this is the interface. Now we go back to the prompt. So we want to go and copy our animation prompt. That is the video prompt. So I'm going to copy the first video prompt here. Now, before we copy our video prompt, now there's something I want you to understand. When you're generating your video, we have what we call start frame and end frame. Start frame is where you want the video to start, and end frame is where you want the video to stop, to end. Now, the start frame from this prompt is that it started where the guy is typing on the laptop, and ends where the floating icon is showing. So now, we go back and click on download banana. Once you click on switch to video, do you understand? So then I'll come here. You can see that the start frame, this is the start frame and this is the end frame. Now click on the start frame. You are going to see all the image we generated. So I'm going to select where the guy is typing on the laptop. So that is where the scene started. So I'll just select that. So click on that. Then for the end frame, after he's typing, he was distracted by different icons showing. So this is where it ends. So I'm going to click on the end frame. I'll click here. Then what happens between this start and end frame? So I'll just copy the video prompt and paste it here. So then click on send and our video is going to be generated. So let's wait for a few seconds for our video to generate. Boom, and look at what we have here. Okay, our video has generated. So we are going to click on the three icon here, then click on the download button. So I'll just download it. Now let's listen to the video. So just click on a video and you are going to see a download button here. Just download. Don't forget to download it. Now let me quickly show you the second website to generate the video. I want to show you how you can generate your video from it. So I'll go and copy the video prompt for the second animation. So I've copied it. Then I'll come to one video, then click on video. I'll click on this place and switch to video. Then click on frame. I'll click on upload from my device. It will take me to my phone gallery. Then I'm going to select the first frame. So make sure you read the video prompts, know where your starting frame is starting from and where your end frame is ending. So I'm going to click on the first frame. I think he's working on the laptop. Then he's going to bed. He's want to go and make his bed. So I'm click on the head frame. So once you put your first frame and your last frame, then paste your prompt, then click on generate. Now the only problem with this website is that it allows you to generate unlimited video, right? But it takes time before it generates. So what I will advise you is just you can generate as many images, just generate and leave it, let it be loading, leave it. You can do other things, you can minimize it on your phone and do necessary other things, then come back, it will generate. But if you want to wait, it's going to take time. So this is the only platform I know that is allowing you to generate unlimited video. Do you get? So Google Flow is okay, it's very fast, but it's limited. But if you want to use Google Flow, you can sign up with different email accounts. So that will be the end of today's tutorial. Okay guys, so see you in my next video. Bye.